Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be unboxing the Lady in the Tramp steelbook, the Best Buy exclusive. And this is just for the Blu-ray, DVD, and the digital. I don't know if you guys want to pause that and check out the special features on it. This is part of the signature edition. I'm still trying to get the Peter Pan one. I missed out on that one. There's the front of it. This is debossed. We have the spine. Then the back of the steelbook. None of this is debossed. Get the digital code out of the way. It's the inside. You got the Blu-ray and the DVD. There's the full art for the inside. And then the full steelbook. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.